This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. In this video, I'm going to cover different ways to get dirt out of a swimming pool. Now, the traditional method of a vacuum hose and a vacuum head, of course, is the most affordable method of getting dirt out of the pool. The only drawback with this is that it's time consuming to set up the vacuum and the hose. Also, suction depends on the pool equipment, pool pump. If it's not running effectively, you're not going to have great suction to pick up the dirt. And where the dirt goes is another issue you may have with just manual vacuuming a pool. In most cases, if you have a cartridge filter or a D filter, it'll go directly into the filter itself. And then you have to clean the filter out. If you have a multi-port backwash valve on your filter, you can vacuum directly the waste. But in a lot of cases, you don't have that option. One of the newest products to hit the market is the bottom feeder shrimp cartridge filter assembly. And this is basically a 50 square foot cartridge filter that you put on top of the bottom feeder or shrimp cleaner. And this will effectively pick up roughly 2 pounds of dirt from the pool surface. And because it's a traditional cartridge filter, it'll filter dirt down to 10 to 20 microns, making this a highly effective way to remove dirt from a swimming pool. The really nice thing about it is that the cartridge assembly threads onto the top of it. So you can also use regular vacuum system bags if you have leaf debris versus dirt. And you can go back and forth between the cartridge filter assembly and a vacuum bag in that case. This is a very fast and effective way to remove dirt from a pool, and I think it's a great system and just a revolutionary concept. Next up, we have the Vac Daddy Vacuum to Waste, and I think this is where the Vac Daddy shines. You can also use a Vac Daddy just to manually vacuum out a pool without the Vacuum to Waste adapter, and all that debris will go into a bag inside the Vac Daddy. But you can use the Vacuum to Waste adapter, which I think is a real game changer for this system. This has a really powerful 60 gallon per minute pump. So this is a highly effective way to clean up a pool that was hit by a dust storm or there's a lot of dirt in the bottom. Or if you did a green pool cleanup and there's a lot of dead algae on the bottom. Or if you have flock to vacuum out. This is really a great system. And I think the Vacuum to Waste with the Vac Daddy is a highly effective way to vacuum out dirt from a swimming pool. And last up, you have the Advantage Manufacturing Portavac. And this is basically an equipment pad on wheels. You have a 150 square foot cartridge filter, 1.5 horsepower pump, and you have a way to transport it with their hitch. And so you can take this to your service accounts and you can effectively vacuum out the pools by plugging in the system and then parking it right on your pool deck. You can either recirculate the water back into the pool, or you can also vacuum to waste. It's one of those things where I think it's a great product because you have those two options to vacuum the water back into the pool or to vacuum all the dirty water to waste. And since it has a 150 square foot cartridge filter, it'll pick up a ton of dirt. And because of the power of the 1.5 horsepower pump, it'll pull about 80 or 90 gallons per minute. So it is the most powerful system out there to get the dirt out of the pool. And if you're looking for sheer power and effectiveness, the Portavac 2.0 definitely would be the tool to pick for your dirt cleanup. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, the Bottom Feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.